question number 4, first part. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Let's start with the first one. 2, 4, 8, 16. Let's subtract this from this. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. Clearly they are not same. 2 and 4. Hence this is not an AP. Second question. Second part of fourth question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Okay. So let's find D first for checking whether it is AP or not. Okay. Just in this question we found D. 4 minus 2, 8 minus 4. Okay. We are just checking whether, see, if it is forming an AP, then the difference between two consecutive terms, like the difference between the second term and first term, like A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 should be same. If they are not same, that is, they are not forming an AP. So let's see whether here it is same or not. So A2 minus A1, yani 5 by 2 minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 2, right? Because this is 1 into 2 into 2, right? Which gives me 5 minus 4 here, that is equals to 1 by 2. Now 3 minus 5 by 2, right? This is 1 here, so into 2 into 2, right? This is 6 minus 5 by 2, that is equals to half. Let's check this also. 7 by 2 minus 3 by 1 into 2 into 2. So 7 minus 6 by 2, which is also half. This is same and this is same. Hence they are forming an AP. So yes, they form an AP. Now what we have to find? We have to find the next 3 terms of the sequence. So how are we going to find out that? See, clearly we know first, second, third, fourth. So what we have to find? We have to find 5th, 6th and 7th term of this AP, right? Now we know A1 is equals to 2, and from this calculation, what do we know? We know D is equals to half, right? So what will A5 be equal to? A5 will be equals to A1 plus 4D, right? What is A5 equals to? A5 equals to A1 plus 4D. So A1 is 2 plus 4 into half, right? So this and this is cancelled. So what we have here? 4. So A5 is equals to 4. Now what will A6 be equal to? A6 is equals to A1 plus 5D. A1 is 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. That is 2 plus 5 by 2. So this is how you are going to solve this. This is 2 by 1 into 2 into 2. 4 plus 5 by, this is 4 plus 5 upon whole 2. So which is 9 by 2, right? Now what will A7 be? A1 plus 60, which is 2 plus 6 into half, which is 3. So 5. Okay. So what are A5, A6 and A7? A5 is 4, A6 is 9 by 2, A7 is nothing but equal to what? 5. Let's move to next question now. Next part of this question. We have a lot of parts in fourth question. I think there are 14-15 parts here. So now the third one. Again, how many terms are given here? You are given with 4 terms. So clearly A1 is equals to minus 1 by 1.2 if it is an AP. Only if it is an AP. Let's check whether it is an AP or not. Which will be D is equals to minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Which should be equals to minus 5.2 minus 3.2. Okay. So clearly you can see this is equals to minus 2 and this is also equals to minus 2, right? Minus plus minus 3.2 plus 1.2 will be equals to minus 2 minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is also going to be equal to minus 2. This and this is same, right? Let's check for this also. This is also equals to minus 2. So yes, this is an AP. What will be A5? A5 will be A1 plus 4D. A1 is minus 1.2 plus 4 into minus 2, which is minus 1.2 minus 8, which gives me minus 9.2. A6 is going to A1 plus 5D. A1 is again minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2, which is minus 1.2, and minus 10, which is minus 11.2. And what will be A7? What is going to be A7? It is going to be A1 plus 60, which is nothing but minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2, which is minus 1.2 minus 12, that is minus 13.2. So this is A7, this is A5 minus 9.2, and this is minus 11.2 is A6. So the next 3 terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Let's move to next part. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So let's check. First D first, minus 6 minus of minus 10, which is nothing but 4, because minus 6 plus 10 is nothing but 4. How this is plus? Minus is plus. Now for next 2 terms, minus 2 minus 6 is again 4. Then 2 minus of minus 2 is again 4. This is same, this is same, this is same. Hence, it is AP. Hence, it is an AP. Now, what is A1 is equals to minus 10. Now, I have to find next 3 terms. So, again with same formula, A5 is equals to A1 plus 4D, which is equals to minus 10 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. So minus 10 plus 16 is equals to what? 6. A6 is equals to A1 plus 5D, which is equals to nothing but minus 10 plus 5 into 4. What is going to be equal to that? Minus 10 plus 20. So minus 10 plus 20 is nothing but 10, right? And what will be A7 equal to? A1 plus 60, which is minus 10 plus 6 into 4, which is minus 10 plus 24, that is 14. So what are the next 3 terms? 6, 10 and 14. Okay. Let's move to 5th part of this question. See, now 5th question is simple, but its representation can be slightly difficult for children as it is dealing with both rational and irrational number, right? So 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and then what it is? 3 plus 3 root 2. Alright? 3 is nothing but root 2. Okay, see this and this. You can subtract this from this and then you get root 2. Now for next, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, because this minus this, right? So minus and in bracket this is there. So the sign of both these things will change. So it will be 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 and minus root 2. So this and this again cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2. We can subtract this from this because root 2 and root 2 are there. If suppose it would have been 2 root 2 minus root 3, then you can't subtract this from this because here is root 2 and root 2. That's why you are allowed to subtract this. And 2 root 2 minus root 2 is again nothing but root 2. Okay? How we are doing this? Taking out root 2 as common. Bracket is nothing but 2 minus 1. So which gives me nothing but root 2 into 1, which is equals to root 2. Okay? So now let's subtract this from this. Which is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, which is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. This again cancel. Root 2 can be taken out. What we have in bracket? 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So again it is root 2. Hence this is forming an AP with a common difference of root 2. Okay, so A1 is equals to 3 and D is equals to root 2. Now what will be A5? A5, A1 plus 4D, and A1 is what here? 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 is what? A1 plus 5D. So A1 plus 5D, which is nothing but 3 plus 5 root 2, and A7 is nothing but A1 plus 6D, which is nothing but 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are our terms: 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay? So here we complete our fifth part. Now let's go to sixth part. This was an important question and you should understand how we are subtracting the numbers which has root 2, root 3 in them. Okay? These kind of questions can come in exam. Maybe not in this way, but in some other way. So you should be very clear with the basics so that you don't face these kind of problems while you are solving other questions. Now sixth question. Sixth part of fourth question. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. So now 0.22 minus 0.2 is nothing but 0.20. What this is going to be equals to. You can write it here. It will be, sorry, did I do some mistake here? Yes. 0.22 minus 0.2 is not this. It is 0.02. Okay? 0.22 minus 0.2 is, yeah, this will be again a 0 and this will be 0.02. What this will be equals to? 0.002. Okay? What this is going to be equals to? Are these same? No, they are not. So this is not an AP. Okay? Let's move on to seventh part of this question now. A1 is equals to 0 only if it is forming an AP. So let's check whether it is forming an AP or not. Which is equals to minus 4, minus 8, minus 4, which is again equals to 4 because this becomes plus, and minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. And this is minus 12 minus of minus 8, which is again minus 12 plus 8, again equal to what? Minus 4. Clearly this is forming an AB with a common difference of minus 4. Okay? So, let's find the next three terms. A1 is equals to 0, D is equals to minus 4. So, A5, A1 plus 4D, 0 plus 4 into minus 4, which is nothing but minus 16. A6 is equals to A1 plus 5D, which is nothing but 0 plus 5 into minus 4, that is what it is, minus 20. A7 is equals to A1 plus 60, 0 plus 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24, right? So what are next three terms? Minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. These are the next three terms of this AP.